In this video, I'll guide you through how to join Google Workspace Labs. This is Google's early access program where you can try experimental features before they're released more widely. We'll go step by step, slowly and clearly, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to sign up and what to expect along the way. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Google Workspace Experiment sign-up page. The URL may be linked from Google's official announcements, the Google Workspace blog, or a help article from Google support. However you get there, make sure you're on an official Google website. Look for the secure padlock icon in your browser's address bar and check that the web address starts with HTTPS and includes google.com. Taking a moment to confirm, that helps you avoid phishing or lookalike sites. Once the page loads, you'll typically see an overview of the Google Workspace Labs or Experiments program, along with a brief description of what it offers and possibly some examples of features you might get access to. This page is your starting point for joining the program. Next, sign in with your personal Gmail account. This part is important. Google Workspace Labs is generally designed for personal Google accounts, not for work or school accounts that are managed by an organization. If you're currently signed in with a work or school account, switch to your personal account or log out and back in using a standard Gmail address. Click the sign in button if you're not already signed in, enter your email address, then your password, and complete any verification steps such as two-step authentication if you have it enabled. After you're signed in and back on the experiments page, take a moment to scroll and find the Terms of Service and Privacy Notice specific to Google Workspace Labs. These documents explain what you're agreeing to, how your data may be used, and any limitations or special conditions that apply to the experimental features. Because Labs features can sometimes behave differently from regular, fully released tools, it's a good idea to read through at least the main sections, especially anything related to data handling and privacy. As you read, look out for information about what kinds of data may be sent to Google to improve the experimental features, whether content you type or upload can be used to train models, and any restrictions on using these tools for sensitive information. This is your opportunity to decide whether you're comfortable participating in the program. Once you've reviewed the terms and privacy notice, you'll see one or more checkboxes on the page. These confirm that you've read and understood the information and that you agree to participate under those conditions. Carefully check each required box. If you miss one, the form will usually remind you before you can continue. With the checkboxes selected, look for a button labeled Submit or Join. The exact wording can vary, but it will be clearly connected to joining the Google Workspace Experiments or Labs program. Click that button to complete your enrollment. After a moment, you should see a confirmation message or be redirected to a page that confirms you've joined. In some cases, access to experimental features may appear immediately in apps like Gmail, Docs, or other workspace tools. In others, there may be a short delay before everything becomes available. And that's it. You've successfully joined Google Workspace Labs by going to the official sign-up page, signing in with your personal Gmail account, carefully reviewing the Terms of Service and Privacy Notice, acknowledging them with the checkboxes, and clicking Submit or Join to finalize your enrollment.